Video to fix Payday 3 stuck on the login page and Nebula Connection Error. And if you can't get into the game, this video is for you. Are you frustrated because every time you launch Payday 3, it freezes on a login screen or shows a Nebula Connection Error, preventing you from playing online with friends? This usually happens because of server issues, corrupted game files, network conflicts, or firewall and antivirus blocking the connection. Most solutions on YouTube or social media are long, confusing, and full of technical steps, often telling you to reinstall the game or tweak system files, which may not even work. On Rexish, I focus on simple and safe fixes. In this video, I will share a secret easy trick that gets you past the login screen and fixes Nebula Connection errors without reinstalling the game. This method verifies and repairs game files, resets network connections, and ensures your firewall or antivirus allows Payday 3 to connect properly. It works on Steam, Epic Games, and Windows 10 11, and takes only a few minutes. If Payday 3 keeps getting stuck on login, or shows Nebula errors, this fix will solve it fast. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing every click and setting, comment below and let Rexish know, and I will guide you until you can log in and play smoothly.